Are we back? We're back. Damn. My internet crashed and I didn't even notice for, I believe, 1 or 2 minutes. Damn. Actually, I think my DNS crashed. I'm not sure though. Because as soon as I updated my DNS address, then it started working. Anyway, so what I was saying is I don't think this part showed. I made a new function called setCommand. It's gonna blank out what it needs to be blanked. I don't think there's anything else special that I need to do. What am I doing and what for? I joined a group at my university where we work on Robocup small size league bots. I'll go on YouTube, I guess. Maybe my DNS did not fail then, I'm not even sure. Maybe the internet crashed, I don't know, it happened the other day too. Maybe it crashed and just as I was updating my DNS it reworked again, maybe. But usually I'm always on DNS TK and space domains. That's possible, because I know that .tk is a free domain name, right? .tk. Yeah, that's a free. If you want a free domain, you go on that, and but Google does not like that. I don't even think they put it on Google. Well, they put that, but they usually don't link to the domains. Is there a Google thing? Why don't you use that TP? Yeah. I don't think they're indexed by Google. You know HTML and CSS? Yeah, I do. 8844. Okay. So yeah, the small size league. I don't know every programming, but I know a good amount of programming language. Because I used to write my own compiler, and I wanted to learn everything there was. So I learned stuff like Haskell. I started with Java, C, C#, C++, and I went with stuff like JavaScript, PHP, Camel, like a bunch of languages like that. Just to study a bit what types of features a language could have. And then based on what I learned, I tried to imagine what the perfect language would be. I never did finish that project, but it's on hold. Malmar doesn't like .tk, I think it's a virus. Hey, this is a reference, right, in Java, in Python? What I'm doing, I'm coding something that will do this. So it's a real life robot that plays soccer, a soccer team. This is the small size league. If you go and look, there's actually some other stuff like this is the SPL soccer. I don't know. I don't remember what those are. But those one are a bit bigger, as you can see. They're not as cool, I don't think, though. But it's a whole different world if you start to do this one, because this is 3D. And the robots themselves, like for our small SSL bots, the camera is right on top and looks at the ground, and then it decodes where everyone is. For this, I believe the robots themselves have to track themselves. I'm not sure how many of you have thought about this, but unless you have a GPS and you don't really know where you are. Like if you're a car and then you get told to move there, unless you start tracking exactly how you move, then you end up not knowing where you are. I wonder if this project is like that, where you need to, or the bots, they need to track their own positions, or do they have a camera looking at them, tracking them, or I think they have to track themselves based on their environments and what they see. So for me, since this is a university student project, we're building them. So not this type, but the other smaller ones. Every single bot costs between $4,000 and $6,000. So it's a big project. Like if you need 6 bots at least, then you're looking at 36,000. But you don't only want 6, because then you want to practice. So if you want to practice with a full team, you'll need 12 bots if you want to practice inside of your own university. So 12 bots is a lot of money if you want to build all of that physically. Look at that. So this is a worldwide competition. Like for this one, I believe they are in Germany. Yeah. For us, we are in Canada, but we're gonna be competing against the universities in the United States and other ones in Canada. I believe we're setting up a project for all the universities to compete. Agar. Did I forget my goal? I have a goal. Okay. So now this is good. This is gonna set up my command. First, I need to make sure I'm not breaking anything. So command list, set command. I'll call that reset. Reset command. And Bfunge is great. Bfunge, I've never heard of that. Or maybe I did. Bfunge. are arranged on 2-dimensional grid arrows. Oh, actually, I did see that before. That's cool. That's yeah. It's really weird when you see some real programs. Refrange example. What is wrong with this? It gives me the wrong URLs. Look at that. This works because you're telling the program to start parsing from that side. Huh. Yeah, I saw that before. But like try to try to code in that after that. It looks like brain fog. It's not as bad. If you look correctly. I mean, you take a couple seconds and then you're gonna figure out, okay, what, like this is what it does. Opera quality. Wow. Why am I in Opera actually? Why? Why do I have Opera? And oh, did I test my bot in this? Yeah, I did. Why is there feeding bot there? Wow, this is old. Appos bot beta. Doesn't even exist anymore. This is 3.46. Is anyone not moded? Some are not. You. I'm a better coder than you. I'm not sure. I mean, there comes a point where you can just code anything, and how you do it is mostly what's limiting you. Like right now, I wouldn't say this code is pretty nor that good. But once I started refactoring, then it's gonna become some really nice code. Like this is a bit of it, the refactoring part. This is nice. Okay, good. So reset is working. But there comes a point where there's no real difference once you've coded enough project. Common list. I want to give it 1. 0 actually. Okay. So all those little commands are getting removed. Peace, gamertop. Yeah, what I'm doing is not simple, I guess, for most people. Wow. It's actually, you can, what? What? Oh, I parsed that wrong in my head. Huh. Yeah, that's... Make that 3D, please. Fudge. Okay. Whoop.
Wait a minute.
Nice, okay.
Bitch, just what do you think you do?
This song. Does that work? What? It works. Did I just do something and it worked in the first try? What? So much code, I'm getting lost. Okay, I need that. I'm gonna put that 0 there. I'll make a new command just for myself. Look at. It's gonna take an angle and log 3x plus log 3.5 equal log 3 2x. Are you trying to derivate that? Or you want to simplify for x? I'll make that upside down. You got 1000 bots. Actually, I don't think this function is going to be required now that I rethink my... Actually, what the function I wanted to do was that angle diff. This thing, I want a function for that. I don't want to see that code anymore. Angle diff. Whoa. Return. Whoa. Why is my return not good looking? Because this is not... I don't need that parenthesis. The difference between angle 1 and angle 2. Okay. I'm live. What? Once in a while I've done a Fizzbuzz program. Okay, so I hate maths that needs metas and stuff because I can never remember them. I am only good with problem solving and mental arithmetics. But I mean the log, you can usually use your calculator for that. Foundry language, useless. Stop banning, I will stop banning you. Wow, it's Turing complete. Some people are just crazy. I mean, you wanna know what's Turing complete? I'll show you what's Turing complete. JavaScript brain fuck. This is Turing complete and it works in every browser. Isn't there a website I can use? Okay. Let's say I put an alert box. Alert. And I say okay. So this is JavaScript. If I run this, inspect element, and I go to my console, boom. Okay, so it shows me that. Free supply input. Actually, that's not what I wanted to do, isn't it? This is not the right website. Surely this is better? What? I used to have a compiler. Translator. The code? I don't even know how to use any of this. I'm not even reading. Maybe this works? There was a really nice one directional array. No, but it's so stupid. Oh, there is a TK. What? I can't find a website. Conversion. I can't find it. Oh, decode. Okay. Look at this. Found it. Okay. So this thing here, I'll put it here. New. This is code. This is some valid JavaScript. See that? I can execute the code. Whoa. Or I can't. I must have not copied the right. Okay, well it doesn't work because there's a syntax error in that compiler, but I found a good compiler at one point and I was able to use it. Why does that even work? Because JavaScript. No, it's because there's the explanation somewhere, I forgot about it, but beware brain fog, JavaScript is after you. Look at that. This and this are used to access elements of an array. And in JavaScript, I believe you can say... So 0, this is 0 in JavaScript, I believe. Am I reading this right? I'm not even sure why I'm talking about that. I guess it's because we're talking about brain fog. Because if I do plus, and then... I can't do my brackets while music is playing. Look at that, this is 0. If you want to write 1, you add 2 exclamation marks. Now you have a 1. This is valid JavaScript. If you want, if you want a 2, you get that. Boom, this is 2. How is that 2? You have this, you're 1, if you remember this, plus that. I can't even do it myself. What? I mean, this is so stupid. Like they have programming just with that, and then you have so you get a sequence of all these little and you can't do anything with that. Anyways. Yeah, so what is this? What kind of game? This is brain. This is nothing. This is Robocup SSL. So this is what the goal of the project is to make some bots that are gonna be able to play soccer. What are we watching? You're watching me. Whoa. Look at that. So this is a. If you notice, this is this guy is yellow. This guy is blue. This is 6. That guy got knocked over. So this is a university project. What that means is that I'm gonna be on the team that we're doing the AI. There's another team in the university, like they work with us. They're building the mechanics inside of this. So every university that is participating, they're given the only constraint of having the robot fit in this box. If your bot fits, then it's fine, and then whatever is inside is up to you. So someone, like on our team, we have people that are working to make this as good as it is. Best mechanics, best way for the wheels to steer. If you notice, the wheels are kind of weird on this. It's because it allows them for very good controls. The whole project is open source. This is why I'm allowed to stream this. And then you can notice there's like that. Whoa, goal. We don't need to use the same parts. We only use the same outside. The inside is up to the team. So we build the bot, and it costs between no, it's not standardized. Each bot can cost up from $4,000 to $6,000, depending on what you put inside, and even the chips are manually designed by some people in electronics, or I forget how they call their. So there's some people building the device, other people that are building the electronics parts inside of that. There's another team that's coding some sort of OS for the parts. This is usually very low level, C code and maybe even assembly. I'm not sure how they work. And then there's something in there that receives some radio waves, and that's where I'm at. I'm on the other side. So my software is gonna be. Oh, I think we can see a little. The camera panned up a bit, but I mean, there's some computer outside that's analyzing the game, and then saying, okay, you have to go there. This bot should go there. So it's the AI. The AI is not running on the bot. It's running on on another computer. Anyways. So if you want to see, this is what I have right now. I've made the code that's able to fetch the ball. I made it slower so we can see better. And it's able to shoot inside. It's able to go like that, grabs the ball and shoots again. Damn, it caught that ball right back. So there, it lost it. Goes around and shoots it. How do we pay for this? I'll show you. Because it's a student project, so we don't really have any money. It so happens that we have a lot of sponsors. So you have Binox, that's right there. Robocup, a lot of sponsors, and they pay for a good amount of our stuff. Read my previous message. Yeah, sorry. A full stream discovering language on would be a fun idea. Isolang. Then brain fuck. I saw a really weird language once. I don't remember, but it was worse than brainfuck, and I don't think any human would be able to code into it. Like, I know that the couple of ones that we saw, like that were posted in the stream so far, I mean, would have been enough time anyone could do it. Pushbot. How does it know where the ball is? I'll show you. This is how it works. So there's the camera right over. It's looking down and it's able to parse the image into the different data, like where this ball is located. Since the ball is so easy to see, it's able to find the ball and say, okay, the ball is at this location. So as you can see, all the bots have different patterns, and these patterns are used to find the angle. Like you can see, this part here is a bit closer, so you know this is the back. This one, and then with the color you can know which ID the bot is. Right now this is ID 0. And I'm using Python. Okay, I need to get back to coding now. If this music isn't weird, I don't know what is. Okay, so now this. I think I made a function just now that says angle diff. Good. Angle to, oh, I'm using one again. Oh, that would have been bad if I didn't see this mistake. Okay, angle diff. Right here. Angle diff. I guess I'll call this get angle diff, whatever. Lol code. That might have been it. So this, if I didn't break anything, should still work. What? Whoa, what happened there? Oh. So you're saying, I mean, this thing is telling me that it's not able to... This whole thing broke because of that. What did I have up here earlier? Wait, so why can't I use my same code? This is not working. X range is not defined. Okay. $988. Okay, I need to go there. Okay, this is in protobuf, perfect. So I converted this code in Python 3, I guess I forgot a couple parts. internal Python message line 988 X range. Okay. Right. It's missing kick speed X. Right there, yank that. Is that all? Yes. Nice. I'm lucky it gives me some errors. Yeah, I know. I know. Ferocity, start with Java if you need the complete basics of what structure of code is. Usually say I don't use it as language. I used to hide all that stuff, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Okay. Hello, Emir Can 5898. Check Gitter. Oh, finally an old music. Okay, what did I miss there? Okay, good. Wait, why do you want me to read this? Obviously, how fast is fast enough for reading Twitch chats? I was thinking maybe 200 milliseconds. Like if you went to the channel with the most people, I wonder how fast that chat moves per line. It moves fast, like. I mean, usually you don't need to read everything, because not everyone is talking to me. Sometimes people are talking among themselves. Okay. So now this is good. I made my function so that it looks perfect. So... really, all that I need is very simple. I just copy this line. Okay, I'll okay, don't judge me on this angle diff 2. This is gonna be 1. Yeah, I read dimension. SSL. Okay, take that. Remove that space, and instead of PY, I'm gonna be giving it the actual value. PY is fine. PY dot Y, and this is gonna be 1. PX dot X, and this is 1. There you go, 1 right there. Does that work? Oops, I didn't mean to quit. It obviously does not work. How so? This music. Why does that not work? It obviously does change. Okay, in that case, I'm gonna be using the same one. Oh, they all stopped. This one is moving at least. Why is it not moving forward though? Why is the one not moving either? Peace, the CVB guy. I'm trying to understand why this is not moving. Well, this is weird. Why does it move now? If I add those two lines, oh, ID. Oh, I need to give it an ID. That's why. Okay. Zero and 1. Okay, I didn't know. Good. So that alone should make it work then. Did I do that? I did not. Nice, they're like synchronized. They're not looking at the same location, but they are synchronized. The most awesome image on the internet. Okay, 2. Now, how is that? Oh, wrong side. What? He's looking at the bot? Or at the ball? They're still linked together, aren't they? Why is it moving? B P B P. I had a really good website for math for programming. I have over 3,000 bookmarks, so it takes a while to find. There. So this thing has 3 parts, and did they do other stuff after that? Wow, you code fast. Hello, Gunnar live. Socializing. Down, yeah. Why does my robot not want one? Oh, it is. It's not working, is it? Did I use a P1 or something in my formula, or what is? Do I need to just do some? I guess I do. Okay, angle 2. I used angle 2 already. Yeah, I did. Okay. Whoops. Finally, a good piano soundtrack. Robots are more social than you. B, P, B, X. I don't understand. View and look at this spot. What? I didn't change anything. I only copied the code. Oh, that guy's getting pushed. What? Why does the code work now? I swear, this is weird. Why does it work? It just pushes it out. I mean, this is some legit physics. And goal. Okay, you guys ready for this? This is gonna be pastime. The goal is gonna be my player 2 instead. Watch that. Where did I name PX? There it is, okay. Watch that. 1-1. Okay, we're set. This guy gives him the ball. You see? Whoa. This bot is smart. See that? Time to test the long distance passes. Okay, I'm gonna have to move that a bit. Okay. He's aiming, passing. Whoa. This dribbler is really bad, but because I think normally the bot is supposed to stop. Oops. And pass. Whoa. It's trying to pass, but I'm not giving it enough time. Where's the other bot? Why is it not coming back? Oh, he's stuck. Why is the dribbler not working well? Can I fix that? Team. Physics, ball. Ball linear, dampening. Ball ground fiction, no. Not communication, geometry, ball rages. What is Partian anyway? How old am I? I'm 21. Oh, I should turn that light. Okay, so what am I looking for? I'm looking for what defines the dampening. Take that ball and give it. Oops, I didn't give it enough time to aim because the current version is not that good. Take that ball, aim, and shoots. Aim, shoot. This is how you share. There's something wrong with this code. I can't find it. Okay, anyways. Hey, can I use, instead of 1, I'm gonna use math.py. Okay, actually I need Python. Math.py. Import math.py divided by 2. That's that. Divided by 4. Okay, divided by 4 instead. Plus that divided by 4 instead of 1. Maybe that's gonna work better. It's possible, I guess. Maybe divided by 1, by 2 instead. Okay. Was that too much? Huh. Okay, I sort of like that, but I want him to go closer. Way closer. Instead of 7, let's try 300. Whoop. Goes around. Closer still, fitter min. This is not used anymore, is it? No. Let's remove that and put 200 instead. Whoop. And whoa. Can I use 4 instead then? I'm just fine-tuning this for now, but not bad, not bad. I think it's better. It's not great, but it's still better. Goal. Oh, the ball goes through him. Oops. Let's make it shoot slower. Didn't I have a shoot variable? Drop it to 5. What? Okay, maybe that's good. This is no good. doesn't turn nearly fast enough. Didn't it turn perfectly fine before? Oh. Tempted to just do times 20. Or times 15. He's not able to aim straight. So the problem is not the 15 nor the 10. This is fine. The real problem comes from this thing can get removed. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so you don't want the pass to be from too far away. Oh, this is bad. Or the pass can get intercepted or completely miss. Like that. Huh. How did he fail his kappa? Oh, never mind, he didn't. Oh, he got it. He's not able to catch the ball. He doesn't have the right ball control. Almost. He's not able to control the ball well enough. Because normally the ball sinks in just a little bit in the bot. I think I had an example video. Like that. So this allows you to catch the ball much easier. If you look, this thing is rolling really fast. Stability test. Yeah, that's how they dribble. Because there's a little wheel that's rolling. By the way, this is a golf ball. So the rules state that the ball can sink into the bot by 20% at most. So 80% of the ball needs to be visible at all times. But like the dribbler, it allows you to take control of the ball so that it doesn't do what it... this thing that's happening right now, like he's not able to completely hold, like he wants to shift the ball a bit. Yeah, that kick is cool. Far, I'm gonna give it a bit more range, 300 maybe. Maybe that's all it needs. Yeah. Or I could go back to, like, I don't know, a higher number. Nice. Or not? Maybe it should back off a bit. like that. Go around it, catch the ball, shoot it. Go around it. Oh, wrong side. Catch the ball, shoot it. Horrible. Shoot it. Wrong. Oh, nice. Nice catch. Hello, Shy Nick, Shiny item. Shiny kitten. There you go. I need to grab something to drink. Maybe I should just end this stream though, because I don't think I'm gonna be coding anything else, and it's already getting late. Like a lot of the values that I'm tuning right now is just a waste of time. Because this current system is not the way that the bot is actually gonna be working. Because right now the way I'm doing it is that I'm trying to turn, and each time I send a turn action, it's gonna keep doing it until it gets another action that says to turn otherwise. So I'm not able to tell it turn up to an angle of 90 degree and stop. It's like turn a certain amount and then stop turn a certain amount all the time until I tell you to stop. So essentially I can easily miss my target. Like if you look at this, sometimes it just like right there, it went a bit too far and then it had to readjust. Normally you don't need to do that in a real robot. Like right there, I didn't catch it quite because it didn't go to the angle that it's supposed to go. Even though it's very close, it's not like it's like the adjusting is not good enough. Oops. Yeah, the other people know. I did post my link. I don't know how many people did watch it. I know there's at least one that does tune in once in a while. Yeah, it's really dark because my only lighting in this room is this, and usually I stream during the morning or during the day when the sun is up. So the window is right on this side, and it lights really well. That's why I don't stream at night usually. Because it sucks to work in the dark. And yeah, I didn't respond earlier, but Shy Ni Kitten, I did write the Agar bot. Hey, what happens if... Okay, I'm tempted to just just try that. No idea if that's gonna do anything better or if it's gonna be worse. It's better, isn't it? Sort of. Sort of. So I guess I can keep that. But use that instead. Whoa, wrong side. Okay, what is going on? Yeah, it's running to that. Essentially, I'm giving it a target. It doesn't need to be a bot. It could be any location on the map. So for now, I made it to look at that bot, and I made that bot to look at the ball all the time. So it's sort of trying to receive a pass. As you see, it's looking. Then that guy positions, and then he shoots, and passes. And he just likes this ball, so he goes to get it. But like as you can see, he goes to get the ball. Then I move the ball back. Then it's looking and it shoots and passes. Does he know that you're working with? The brightness doesn't annoy me because I have something called F-Lux, and this adjusts the light for me. Like right now, I'm not sure if it shows on camera, but it's very yellow on my screen right now. I'm not even sure if it shows on stream. I don't think it does. So I'm sort of wondering, what is from angle? From angle is from... Oh. I guess I use diff then. Does that... No, that makes no sense, does it? Yeah, it's not good. Hmm. Can I do that and then do plus diff? I wonder. Or minus diff? Minus. Does that do anything or is that bad? Huh. Sort of worked. Hey, this is what I wanted to code from the start actually. I finally did it. Oh. Did I fix add? Surely I did. Add. Huh. Why did it work with me? Add ping pong. Didn't work. Twitch smart. There's Antara. Hey, diff times 10. Right, this is gonna work. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, he's drunk. I made the bot drunk. He's trying to go to it. If it will go. Oh, it's so drunk. Oh. It's trying. It's trying. I can just type winner all the time. Whoa, it actually reached the ball. What? Whoa. This is the ultimate way to make a fake. Anyways, I'm just like wasting you guys' time. I should end this stream. Okay, I'm testing one more thing, and then I'm giving up. Whoa. Because this is useless, whatever I'm doing. Caught. You see? Okay, so for now this is gonna be the right way to do it, and later maybe it will get reworked and hey, you know what? I'm tempted to steal the code from my 5 and 6 aim angle. This is it. If how did I quit? Am I editing my code right now? What? I'm not able to stop the code anymore. Huh. Okay then. I'm not able to clear that. Nice.
You know,
What is this? What is that song? Message come from the president.
No, well, here, I just don't know.
I just don't know. What? Okay, this works better than the other things for now. I think it's fine. Wait, why does it already turn? Didn't I code it so that it doesn't turn right away? Equal a tan 2. So it is from angle. I guess I wanted to keep that at 4. I'm so tempted to add more drunk live stream. I think I've done it before. Not today. Okay, I think this is the best I have ever tried so far. So it rotates around, tries to get it, and shoots. Right? Yeah, I am. I'm almost 22. What do we... yeah. Do I feel old? No. I feel just like I've always felt. Hey, this gives me a pretty good idea. Put the link in below stream. So the link for my YouTube is below the stream. He is so old. Who is talking? What? You actually? You... Wow, this is a big day. Yeah, that's my YouTube. Whoa. Yeah, the videos are usually like this one is 2 years old. I used to have another YouTube though. This is why it's there's not that many. I wonder if the other oh, it's still there. Wow, 4 years ago. There's also videos from 5 years ago. Wow. Oh. Those are my old... How did you know? Was that... I used to do 3D animation on that channel at least. Okay, I'll end it on that actually. Let's copy that. Right. Hello, melon plant. Welcome back. Okay, I'm done. So I'm gonna end the music. I'll put this ball chasing. Okay. This is an old project that I did with someone else. So I made a video, then I went to there's a forum where I go on. And I asked if someone wanted to do the voiceover.
I will be using 3.
So this is kind of loud.
For this trick, I will be using 3 cards. The
I've showed
first
this
card
on stream
will be
before.
An ace of clubs. And I'll put it right there. The second card will be another ace of clubs. And I'll also put it right there. The third card will be an ace of spades. I'll put it with the other ones. Now, if I take the 3 cards and I move the top card to the bottom, I end up with an ace of clubs. If I take the top card, I'll also have an ace of clubs. And the middle one happens to be an ace of clubs. If
Hey,
you
wasn't
remember
this
correctly, I also had an ace of spades. If I take the top card, there is another ace of spades. And last but not least, the middle card is also an ace of spades. That makes 6 cards within 3 cards, which are the ace of clubs, the ace of spades, and the ace of heart. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. That was old. That's like 2011. Wow. Huh, I'm surprised there's so many views actually. Anyways, this can just be some camera trick. It could be, but it's not. Because the real guy that made this video is on YouTube. He's like one of the first YouTube video too. Is and that trick. That's the guy. Oh
It
no.
all just happened so fast.
I'm not watching an ad for that.
A guy came up to me in the street the other day and he said, look, I've got a little game that I'd like to play with 3 playing cards. We've got this card, and that card. He said, all you've got to do is keep your eye on that card. And as he said it, he moved it to the bottom of the pile. I saw him do it. I said, it's easy, that card's on the bottom. He said, no, that's this card. I said, fine, well, if this card's on the bottom, that card must be on the top. He said, no, that's also this card. I said, well, if this card's the bottom and the top, that card must be in the middle. He said, no, that's also this card. I said, well, that's not fair because you're using 3 of this card. He said, no, that card's on the bottom. I said, yeah, but that was this card just now. He said, yeah, but so is the one on the top. Now it's also that card. I said, well, fair enough, that card's on the bottom and on the top. You're using 2 of that card. He said, no, I'm using 3. That card's also in the middle. I said, well, if that's not fair, you're using 3 of that cards. He said, no, I'm
Slow
this
it
card,
down.
and we got this card, and we got this card. I said, well, you're obviously cheating. And he said, well, yeah, you've got to remember in life, you get a little bit of this, you get a little bit of that, but you get not much of the other.
Nice. So yeah, I used to be a lot in magic and magic tricks and stuff like that. I used to, I think, do a magic trick a day almost to my friends. So that's why I did that animation. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone, and have